Bienvenidos al curso English for UABC Module 13, Elementary Level. Fer is watching a movie on tornadoes. Mr. Garcia asks, "What are you watching?" She shows him the movie. He teaches her different types of weather symbols.
Good afternoon, Fer.
Good afternoon, Mr. Garcia.
What are you doing?
I'm watching a movie. Please come and see.
Hey, that's an exciting movie.
Yes, it's about tornadoes.
Tornadoes. Now look, I have a weather chart here. There is some information on tornadoes. How are tornadoes formed? We have two layers of hot air. The wind is caught between the two layers, and this causes a tornado.
They are dangerous. Which are more dangerous, tornadoes or huracán?
Well, they're both dangerous. That is why it's so important to read weather reports. Here are some useful words. Now listen and repeat. Rain, cloud,
Cloud,
sun,
sun,
snow,
snow,
wind,
wind,
fog,
fog,
ice,
ice,
storm.
storm.
Good. Now let's read this weather chart. Now listen. What's the weather like in Baja California?
When, Mr. Garcia?
Well, in the summer.
The weather is hot in Ensenada, not very hot in Tijuana, but very, very hot in Mexicali.
Remember comparatives? Well, these are superlatives. The hottest, the coldest, the wettest, the driest. We say the hottest weather is in Mexicali. Look at the weather report. What do you think the weather is like in Beijing?
I think Beijing is rainy.
Good. Now look, we add Y when we describe the type of weather. It's raining in Ensenada. It's rainy today.
I understand. There is a lot of sun today. It is sunny.
That's right. Now, look at the weather report. Beijing is not as cold as Moscow. Now you.
Ensenada is not as sunny as Delhi. Sydney is as cold as Beijing.
Very good. You got it. Now, it's too hot in Delhi. It's too cold in Moscow.
Too is extreme.
You got it. Look. We use too to mean more than sufficient or more, less than necessary. Example, it's too hot today. We use enough to mean sufficient. Example, I had enough sun. Do you remember Simon Says?
Yes, I do.
Very good. Now listen. I say hot, you say it's too hot.
Okay, I understand.
Hot.
It's too hot.
Very good. Now listen. We don't have water.
There is not enough water.
Very good. Now listen. Wind.
It's too windy.
English for UABC. Thank you for joining us. Esperamos hayan disfrutado este video. Los esperamos en el siguiente módulo.